We're going to practice a relaxation exercise called progressive muscle relaxation. Progressive muscle relaxation is an exercise that reduces stress and anxiety in your body by having you slowly tense and then relax each muscle. The theory behind this exercise is that you can't have the feeling of relaxation and warm well-being in your body and at the same time experience anxiety symptoms. With practice, you'll become aware of when you are experiencing tension, and you will have the skills to help you relax. During this exercise, each muscle should be tensed, but not to the point of strain. Pay special attention to the feeling of tension in each muscle and the feeling of relaxation as you release the tension. If you have any injuries or pain, you can skip the affected areas. Let's begin. Sit back, or if you're at home, lie down in a comfortable position. Shut your eyes if you feel comfortable doing so, and if not, soften your gaze on a fixed point. Start by taking a deep breath and noticing the feeling of air filling your lungs. Hold your breath for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3. Release your breath slowly and let the tension leave your body. Now take another deep breath and hold it. 1, 2, 3. Slowly release the air. Even slower now, take another breath in. Fill your lungs and hold your breath. 1, 2, 3. Slowly release your breath and imagine the feeling of tension leaving your body with each breath out. We are going to begin progressively tensing and releasing our muscles. Let's start by clenching your fists tighter and tighter. Hold. Study the tension in your fists, wrist, and forearms as you hold the clenched fist. Now let go and relax your hands. Feel the looseness in your hands and notice the contrast between the tension and the feeling of relaxation. Now bend your elbows and tense your biceps. Tense them as hard as you can and observe the feeling of tautness. Hold. Okay, relax. Straighten out your arms. Notice the feeling of relaxation in your hands, arms, and shoulders. Notice how your arms feel limp and at ease. Let's turn our attention to our head. Wrinkle your forehead as tight as you can. Hold. Now relax and smooth it out. Now close your eyes. Squint them tighter. Feel the tension. Now relax your eyes. Let them remain closed gently and comfortably. Still focusing on our heads, roll your head to the right and feel the changing locus of stress. Roll it to the left. Straighten your head and bring it forward. Press your chin against your chest. Feel the tension in your throat, the back of your neck, and hold. Now relax, allowing your head to return to a comfortable position. Allow the relaxation to deepen. Next, tense the muscles in your back by bringing your shoulders together behind you. Hold them tightly. Tense them as hard as you can without straining, and keep holding. Now let go. Release the tension from your back. Feel the tension slowly leaving your body and the new feeling of relaxation. Notice how different your body feels when you allow it to relax. Now shrug your shoulders up to your ears and hold. Relax your shoulders. Drop them back and feel the relaxation spreading through your neck, throat, and shoulders. Give your body a chance to relax and feel the comfort in the heaviness. Next, breathe in and fill your lungs completely. Hold your breath. Notice the tension. Now exhale. Let the air hiss out and let your chest become loose. Continue relaxing, letting your breath come freely and gently. Now tighten your buttocks and your thighs. Squeeze your thighs as hard as you can and hold. Release. Feel the difference as you let go. Let's move our attention to our calves and feet. Press your toes forward, making your calves tense. Study the tension. Now relax. Bend your toes towards your face, creating tension in your shins. Hold. Now relax again. Finally, tense your entire body. Tense your feet, legs, stomach, chest, arms, head, and neck. Tense hard, but without straining. Hold this tension. And now relax. Experience the looseness and heaviness throughout your body as the relaxation deepens. Allow yourself to let go more and more. Experience the relaxation deepening. Pay attention to this feeling of relaxation and how different it is from the feeling of tension. Slowly begin to wake your body by gently moving your muscles. Adjust your arms and legs, stretch your muscles, and open your eyes when you're ready.